Very close to TVA's Douglas Lake, you'll discover a home that will certainly grow with your family, an estate you'll treasure for a lifetime. This is 503 Monte Vista Lane in Dandridge, Tennessee. With 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a half bath, you'll enjoy over 2,200 square feet of spacious living area in an open floor plan that is beyond compare. Exceptional attention to detail is apparent throughout, starting right at the foyer. The great room with the majestic floor-to-ceiling fireplace. Your formal dining area and accommodating your largest table. A true chef's island kitchen featuring this state-of-the-art power and laptop charging station. And functionality has been designed only a few steps away. The convenient pantry, the easy-access laundry room, and right from the kitchen is the screen porch and expansive deck, providing a fantastic vista, also accessible from your master bedroom. And the master bath, complete with dual vanities and a spacious walk-in tile shower. All your bedrooms were carefully located to offer comfort to every family member and guest. Upstairs is a bonus room that could serve unlimited purposes. An upstairs playroom or media center. Craft area, you're limited only by your imagination. And not 1, but 2 garages, one for your cars and the second below that's the perfect workshop. 503 Monte Vista Lane in Dandridge, Tennessee is a home you must tour today. Call Tony Thomas of Weichert Realtors Tiger Real Estate direct at 865-548-0661.